8 graduation gift. Congratulations, 8.
Pretty sa box, ay!
Oh, ngiga.
Pretty kayong box.
Say pangan, let's open, let's see. It's Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro. Ate Nexus.
In fields of blue, where forget-me-nots sway, an ode to those who guided our way. We present these flowers for all the support and for the courage to step on the court. Each petal a thank you for all that you do. Every shot taken is taken from you. Oh, don't forget me not!
So dapat magkuhan ka? Basketball player. Graduation gift na. Oh, ngiga. Let me see daw. Ano yun? Oh, no. Ngiga.
Cute kayo kaya.
Ate, turn around. Wow. Ngiga graduation gift ni ate. With a very beautiful Jordan. What's this?
Air Jordan 4.
Wow, babe, pakita sa kilid. Kilid saan? Look at the kilid. Oh, the sides, the back, the bottom. Wow, so perfect. How is it? How's your feeling gifting you the first ever, the Jordan 4? How does it feel?
I love it so much. The flowers are so cute.
Thank you rin, Papa Ronay, no?
Thank you, Papa.
Mura magnapugos. Tia. Okay. Congratulations, ate. Your graduation. Oh, no, put your laces there? Naput you the additional laces?
Yes, guys.
Okay.
Bye-bye.